Good morning to everyone. Yes, I welcome you all. Class 3rd EVS, that is the new lesson we will start now, that is facilities for our use. Yes, students, in this lesson what we will be learn to identify the need of public facilities and how to protect them. Okay, so these all things we will be see in this class. Yes, okay, see here. So facilities for our use. So one on sunny day, the children were supposed to visit various places in their locality. So all the children are went to their different places. They visited different places in their localities. Okay, so all the children are very happy. So in that moment all the children are very happy. So all of them came to a school very early. So all the students are came to very early, because why they came to very early means the bus is arrived at exact time, it will be arrived their stop. Then they went to a queue and sat in the bus. All the students are went in a queue and what they'll do? So went in a queue and sat in the bus. So you are also doing like same, no? So when the buses came to your stop, so like same you are also make a queue and you will be sat in the bus. Yes. So the bus is started. The first it stopped at the library. Yes, the bus is stopped where? At the library it can be stopped. Yes. In this library, so children read the boards carefully. It means here, the boards carefully here. Children are read the boards carefully. They can be mentioned a board. What they can be mentioned a board? So silence please. Do not tear the books. Yes. So the books are kept so neatly. Do not tear the books. So many books they will be arranging. Do not litter. Like they can be mentioned a board in the library. Yes, they moved round the library silently, because they can be mentioned here in the library. Make a silence, don't make a noise. Silence please. So they will be mentioning the board in the library. So because why they can be mentioned in the board here? So somebody are reading in that moment. So we will be don't disturb to them. Yes, so that purpose, so they can mention here, what they can mention? Silence please. They took a few books and read them for some time. So all the students, they will be came to the bus now, so all they will be went to the library and they will be took some of the books and they'll start to read. Yes, they kept them back in their places and came out of the library. They sat in the bus again. So they kept them back in their places. So again they will be come to a bus and the buses start to going. Yes, so read the boards that are in the pictures of the library. Why you have they been written? Yes, why they can be mentioned here? So wherever you are going here, if you are going to a public places, so you are going to a garden. If you are going to a garden, don't pick the flowers, don't touch the plants. Like they can be mentioned the board. Yes, so like here they can be mentioned in the library. Silence please. Do not litter. Yes, so do not tear the books. They can be mentioned in the boards, because so those books are here, all the peoples are reading that books. Yes, that valuable books those are. Yes, so how we will be take and read and again you will be keep and come back. Yes. Here see, have you seen the library in your locality? Is there any library in your locality? If it is a public or as in your school locality, if it is there a school near to you. So have you seen the library in your locality? So what rules have followed there? So what are the rules they can be mentioned here? So we will maintain a silence in library and we will keep the books at the place from where we have taken. Yes, because they are arranging books. For example, if they can be they can mention here, so the books here, the birds means all the books are related to birds only. Yes, so if it is, they can be mentioned here planets. So here the rack, they can be mentioned here planets, means all the books are, those are related to planets only. Yes, so like they can be mentioned and board mentioned that is, so these are related to these books. Yes, so we are going that place and we will be search the books. So what they can be mentioning in that library. So we will maintain silence in library. Okay, so we can't do, so we don't disturb to others. So and we will keep the books where we will be take from that place, we will be same place we will be keeping that book, because they all the books are arranged in. Okay, so those all are arranging the books in that which place we will be, that book we will be taken. No, so again after reading you will be keep in that place only. Yes, yes, so make it a habit to visit libraries. Yes, you are also go and visit the libraries. Okay, so read a newspaper or as magazines they can given here. So or as stories, books, whatever you will be go and take and read in the library. So this is one of the hobby to reading a books where in the library, because why we are going to library means we all need, it means which book we need, no, so those all we will be get in the library. All types of books are there in the library. The bus stopped at the bus station. Children got down the bus. They went round the bus station. Yes, so bus station, the bus station, at the bus station the children got down the bus. Yes, so they went to round the bus station. They are going, well, the students are going to back to here, so they get down the bus and also they went to round up the station. Here in the bus stand, in the bus stand they can be mentioned here picture in the bus stand how it is. See the library, this is a library picture. Yes, they can be mentioned here board how we will be arranging books. See, so many books are arranging neatly. Yes, yes, see here. So now we will be seeing this bus stand. This is a bus stand. Yes, so are you saw a bus stand? Yes, so this is a bus stand. They can here mentioning don't, yes, don't know that we get a diseases if we eat these open and cut fruits, cover them with a lid. Yes, see, if it is a roadside, if it is a bus stand, near bus stand, so whatever you can see that one, the cutted fruits, some of the snacks, junk foods are there in the roadsides. If we eat them, what will happen? We will fall ill, because all the germs are there, because all the food is opened food, those all. So if you are eating that food, so we will be fall from ill. Yes, so what we will do here? So we eat them, these open food and cut fruits, so cover them with a lid. So what we will do? So whatever they can be covering, so if it is covering, it's no problem. So they can open, because all the germs are sat on that place. Yes, so don't eat open places food. Okay, so or as a roadside, people put the waste outside the dustbin. So it is our bus station. Let us keep the bus station clean. Wherever you are going, so we can keep our environment clean. So if you can be keep our environment clean, so we are also safe. Yes, so we are also safe from diseases. So if you cannot be clean our environment, so what will happening? We only fall ill, we only suffer. Yes, so that's why we should be clean our environment. So likewise, so here they can given here even a bus stand also. So that is also whatever you can be purchased and whatever waste is there in your hand, you will be keep in the dustbin. Don't throw here and there, because you know that is what will happening. So here and there it will be here and there you will be give that one here and there. So you will be down that one. So what will happening? So waste you can be kept in that place here and there you will be throw that waste. So it is our bus station. Let us keep can't to clean. Okay, so we can't to clean. So and we can't cleaning of the what it is bus station. So if we whatever we will be eat, so we can be whatever wastage is there in our hand, so we can be go and keep into the where are put into the dustbin. Yes, so then only we will be keep our bus stand clean. Yes, so someone has not closed the tap, it is running. I will close the tap. Yes, so is there bus stand is there in the so tap, water tap. Yes, so someone they can be drink, or as they are hand wash, they made a hand wash. So opened and went to this. So you are children know, so you know that is you are, it means you are learning. So what we are learning, like So they can be mentioning don't waste a water. So that is one of the precious thing. Yes. So don't waste the water. So that purpose. So when he went to the child is where to went to that in that place, he only of the tap. Yes. So whatever we are using through a water, so here what will happening? So don't waste the water. Yes, that is one of the natural resources. So we don't waste the water. Yes. Yes. How did the children cooperate in cleaning the bus station? Yes. So in cleaning of bus station, how the children will be cooperating, how they are helping. Yes, see, they all closed the tap and saved the water. They put the waste in the dustbin and they created awareness about selling. Yes, see here. Whatever they are selling, no, so outside roadsides and whatever the waste will be put in a dustbin, and if it is tap is opened, so that you can be close the tap. So like the students are cooperating cleaning in bus station. Yes, understood this one? Yes. So here, how is the bus station of your place? In your place, how is the bus station? Yes, so it's a clean. It's a clean. Yes, see, our bus station is very neat with the drinking water is there in the bus station. Facilities is there, all the facilities. The public toilet facilities also is there in the bus station. Yes, is there in the Gadag bus station? Yes, okay. So the children boarded the bus and alighted near the hospital. Next, they went to the near the hospital. Whose? All the children. Okay. So they are visiting, no. So they are visiting, so nearest places. So their locality. So here see, in this is one of the hospital. So here they can be mentioning hospital. So what they can be mentioning? So this is your hospital. Keep it clean and do not litter in the hospital premises. Yes, so they can be given here. Even dustbin they can be kept in that. They can use me that dustbin. Yes, so they can be mentioning in that boards. So here see, the children observe the different kinds of functions in the hospital. They got into the bus appreciating the cleanliness of the hospital. Yes, see, they all are appreciating because how the clean is what? Hospital. Yes, see, visit the hospital of your place and is cleanliness maintained there? So observe and write your observation. Is there in your locality any hospital is there? So you will be visit that hospital, how they are kept the hospital. So and you will be come and write about the hospital. Yes, see, yes, cleanliness is maintained in the hospital and all the things and staff are neat and clean in the hospital. Yes, okay, so you will be write in the textbook. See, next they are here. The bus stopped near the park. The children were very happy to went to the park. So this is your park. Keep it clean. So they are also mentioning. So this is your park. Keep it clean. Yes. See, alas, somebody threw a stone and broke the lamp. Don't they understand that we will be in the trouble if there is no light? Yes. Somebody throw a street light, they can be mentioning, no, in the garden they can be mentioning the lights. So somebody throw a light, somebody throw a stone to the light is broken. What will happening? So what will happening? So we won't be trouble if there is no lights. Yes, in the street. Yes, so this is a toilet is used by many people. They did not put a sufficient water. It is a stinking. See here, so whenever we are using toilets, so we will be put a more water. Yes, we should maintain a cleanliness. Okay. Yes, see, they played in the park till evening. They were tired. They sat in the bus and returned to school. Yes, so in the time what they are happening, all they are played in the park. Yes, so up to evening. Okay, so they were tired and they all are went to the school. Okay, so how is the park that you have seen? Write in 2 lines. Yes, how is the park? Park is how is they can be maintained neatly, they can maintaining. So playthings are there. Yes, swing is there. So all you are happy when you are went to a park because of that is a playing place. It's a your favorite place, no, that is. So you are very happy to went to that park. The next day, the teacher asked the children a few questions about the outing. So they went and came, no. So outing they went and came. So what they can be saw here, they in that place, they can saw a what? They can saw a bus station and also library and a hospital and playground. All they will be visited and come back. And the next day, the teacher is asked a question about that what they are saw in a yesterday. Yes, see, you also participated in that outing, didn't you? Answer the following questions. They can asking here some of the questions. So write the names of places you visited. So which are the places you will be visited here? So you are visited library. Yes. So next they are visited the bus station. The next hospital they are visited. Then also and park. So they visited all these places. Yes. Okay. So next second question they are asking here. Which place did you like most and why? Which place you are like most in these all places? Which place you are like most and because why you will be mentioning here. See, I like the hospital. Most all the students are like the hospital because it was clean and neat. The hospital was clean and neat. So all the students are like the hospital. Yes. Okay. Third question. Library, hospital, bus station and park. All are the places of public facilities. Who use them? All are the places of these all are places of public facilities places. Okay, so who use them? Yes, see, library, hospital, bus station and park is used by the public only because all these are public places only, no. So all we are only using. Public means we all. Yes. Fourth question. The facilities which we use are public facilities. Why do we need them? Yes, the facilities which we use are public facilities. So why do we need them? Why need all them? So because we use them for our need, because is the necessity, is the bus station is necessity. So we go and so wherever we are going to one place to other placing, so we are going in that place only. When we are suffering, when we are fall from ill, so we are going to hospital. Yes, when we need necessity. So if it is we are not we are can't to take books. So in that time we will be go to library and read the books. Yes, so these all things we need. So here we need of, so which one? All the public facilities. Next, who protect these public places? So know about it and write. Who they can be protecting all the public places? Yes. So security guard, they can be protect the public places. You know that is in the all the places. So one of the security guard is there. Okay. So they he only protect all the public places. Okay. The next one. Write the names and the need of the public facilities that you see in the pictures in the space given here. So they can be given here water tank. So this water tank is, so we use, for what purpose we use? Water tank to get water. So this tank we can be get from water. Yes, this is a use. This is also one of the public facilities. Here they can be given here government primary school. Government primary school. What purpose we are using? We use to go a school and also we will study. Yes, that purpose we will be use of the which one? Primary, that is government primary school. So next they can be mentioning here, that is library. Yes, what purpose we use this library? We go to a library and read the books. Yes, Okay. Next one, that is they can given a hospital. We go to the hospital for the treatment. Whatever, if it is we are fall ill, so we will be go and take a treatment in the hospital. Yes. Okay. Next one they can given here. So this is a bus station. So we go to a bus station if we want to go or travel to one place to another place. Yes. So one city to other city. Yes. Yeah. Next one. This is a post office. So what purpose we are using this post office? Whatever we are sending from messages for other places. So we will be writing the letter and we will be put into the post box. Yes, it will be reached to in that place. So here see, we go to a post office to post the letter. Yes. Okay. This is a playground. This is a playground. This is a park we can call as. We go to a park for what? To play. We are going. Yes. Okay. Next they can be mentioned here, that is the railway station. Okay, this is a railway station. We go to a railway station if we want to travel to other cities. If you want to travel to other cities, we will go to a station. Yes. So this is a street light. So we use street lights in the night to get the light. Yes, to get the light we will be need of street light. So toilets, we are using toilets. Yes. So these are, so we will be keep clean. So this is also one of the public facilities. Okay. So wherever you are go, so if it is hospital also you having the toilet, then bus station, railway station. So all those are having the toilets. Yes. So next they can be given here godown. So this is a godown. All we will be get a crops, no, so all crops will be so come and so give to here. So this is the godown. So here see, so we go to a godown to bring a groceries. Groceries like here what we can, if it is a vegetables or if it is a grains, cereals, pulses. Yes. So these all things will be get from here. So this is supplied to other places. Here see, this is a road. Yes, see, we drive vehicles on the road only. Yes, so we will be driving the vehicles on the road. So next they can given here, observe the pictures carefully. We write the what would you do in such situations. So what you will do in such a situation. They can be given here toilets. Yes, so we will put a sufficient of water to the public toilets, because here they can be given, because all the publics they are using, no, so should be maintain cleanliness. Okay. Yes. So second one they can given here, that is a street light. Yes, this is a street light. Yes. So we will put off the street light night. Yes. Sorry, street light in the daytime. So we will put off the street light in a daytime. So here see what will happen. So here see, the pot is filled up and the water is wasting here. What we will do? Yes, so we will turn up the top. Yes. Okay. So next one, here and they see that girl is here throwing a waste in that place only. Yes, this is not a dustbin. Yes, this is a place, outside place. Yes. So we will tell them to put the garbage, put the waste in the dustbin. Yes. Okay. Next, library. See, one of the boy is throwing a stone to the library glasses, windows. Yes, what we will do? So we will tell them to not throw a stone to the library, because that is one of the public place. So we will be maintained, should clean and yes, so neat. Okay. See, next they can given here question. So make a list of the public facilities in your locality. Yes, students, in your locality any public places is there, so you can be listed them. Okay. So post office, then hospital, medical, then railway station are there in your locality, but whatever the facilities are there in your locality mentioned. Okay. Next, school is a public facility. Why? Right here they can be given here. Yes, school is a public place. So school is a place where everyone can get the education. Yes, everyone can get the education. So all are coming to school now. So all your friends and you and also your friends will be coming now. So all will be what purpose you are coming to school? We will get a knowledge. Yes. So you need a education. So you will be come to the school. Okay. Yes. So how do you and your friends keep your school clean? How you will be maintaining cleanliness in your school? Yes. So we should not scribble on the walls, and we used to throw a waste in the dustbin. So what we are using? So all the waste we will be keep in the dustbin. Yes. So these all what it is, we will be clean our school because to see a neat and clean. Yes students, I hope you understood this lesson, that is facility for our use. Yes, tomorrow we'll continue, that is the new chapter. Thank you for watching.